kago wacho no. Again, there's been a lot of miscommunication or lack of information for that matter. Like for government, Attorney General on the issue advisory opinion and all that to the even to the ministries and whatever, how to implement some of those decisions. Toksani, vacuum no. Or maybe wow, some of these things they be cleared.
Attorney General.
With a very big entry of pen. Did you advise? Kata one the tax nini consultants. One wabedo kishida sana. Kijido clients open one okay. Odogade duct magos kikati duct ma. Odogati magos kikati ma. Kuro one institution ma waonge got that full authority mange what is the position, what is the way forward. There's a lot of confusion maybe at the same time. Yeah, got a lot of gaps. Maybe
church ni go bende aparo ndi koro ngeny miyo kata mana tich ok dhiyo makare.
Tich ok dhiyo makare. Koro aparo magwa gik mandwa mondo jogo streamline mondo at least system obedi tiyo kaka obedi tiyo. In ka system tiyo yo mono bedo design ye to gimgo dhi bedo maber. To ka sani gik kaka gimoko dhi ni nitie gik mang'eny ma ineno ka ba pending. Yeah. Emi na wacho ni shida mane sirkal obedo go. Negitemo implement gik mang'eny at the same time. Gikelo changes mang'eny. Kingi medical NHIF NHIF to shift. Mabende already pod is stuck. Part of the compliment and you can complain about is about the medical cover. Yeah. With that transition, there's a lot of confusion again in that sector.
Medical cover sario.
There's a lot of confusion in that sector. Kibire again in education. Education can a lot of confusion. Universities, students manyo report. Gimange complain, okay, the wrong band. Category mo kete cha konya la afford to sekabe wacho nangono ni gitimo ko that mean testing tool ma place ye correct category mono bene chulo to kene kama go that's an issue my spending kidi still within the education sector kidi junior secondary that problem poko beto solve up to now issue mag teachers mono bene ndekoka and we've got so not going to get that term then we'll be having now next class. So many things don't be resolved at the same time.